Umiinom ka ng supplements pero hindi mo naman alam kung paano sila gumagana. Baka sayang lang ang inom mo. Yo, I'm Sa DV, your pharmacist. Today, pag-uusapan natin ito, ang MX3 capsule. Educational lang ito ha. No medical claims, no cure statement. And always remember, supplement lang, hindi gamot. Ang MX3 capsule ay galing sa Garcinia mangostana or mangosteen fruit. Meron itong santon na natural antioxidant na tumutulong sa katawan sa pag-neutralize ng free radicals. In short, pang-support ng wellness, immunity at overall health. Santon acts like bodyguard. Hindi sila gamot but they help your body defend itself from oxidative stress. Yung pagod ang cell dahil sa unhealthy lifestyle, pollution, stress, at poor diet. Based on general antioxidant functions, here are supporting roles of MX3 capsule. Una, supports immune health. Pangalawa, support overall energy production. It helps maintain normal inflammation balance, support heart and cellular wellness. And lastly, provides natural antioxidant support. Again, support lang ha. Hindi ito treatment at hindi rin ito cure. Pwede ito for adult na kailangan ng extra antioxidant support. Pwede din ito sa health maintenance, better lifestyle routine, and daily wellness habit. Pero kung may medical condition ka, pregnant or breastfeeding, or may iniinom na maintenance med, kumonsulta ka muna kay Doc. Commonly, 1 to 2 capsule per day, before or after meal, pero syempre sundin ang recommended label instructions or advice ng healthcare provider mo. Kung may allergic reaction, stomach upset, or unusual symptoms, stop using muna and ask your doctor. Pero tandaan, supplements are add-ons, hindi sila replacement ng proper diet, kahit sa tulog at healthy lifestyle. Kung gusto mo ng antioxidant support, MX3 capsule can be a part of your wellness routine. Basta tama ang knowledge at tama ang paggamit. Available ito sa aming Yellow Basket. Ikaw, umiinom ka na ba nito? Comment down below and please like, share, and follow us for more videos.